You're gonna fall out of there. Oh, nope, gonna sit back down. Did you climb up in there by yourself? Did you? You've been falling out of it a lot. Thankfully, the dog bed is right there. Catching your fall. Ew, I wouldn't eat that. Ew. Ew. It's nasty. Does that taste nasty? You don't care. Focus. You're gonna make a great floor cleaner one day. Yeah, you're gonna make a great floor scrubber. Scrub that closet, son. Scrub it. Yeah. Oh. My personal Cinderella. Where are you going? Oh, and a shoe. Okay, what's next? And peekaboo. Peekaboo. Where's the baby? Where is that baby? Where's the baby? There he is. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where? Oh, there he is. Where's that baby? Where's the baby? Oh, there he is. Peekaboo. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Oh, there he is! That's funny, huh? Where's the baby? Where's that baby? Oh, there he is! I get so tickled. Where's the baby? Oh, there he is! Where's the baby? Where is that baby? Where'd he go? Oh. Where's the baby? Oh. Where's the baby? Where'd he go? Where is he? I don't see him anywhere. Oh, there he is. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Where'd he go? Oh! Alright, son, we need to go hang laundry. Yeah, let's go hang in some laundry. Can you wave? Can you wave? Can you wave? No. Play peekaboo some more. You're gonna have to get out of that closet, son. You can get back in it in a little bit. Yeah. And wave bye-bye. Can you wave? You did it for a second. No. Hey. Peekaboo. Say bye-bye. Wave. You can wave. Wave like I do. I don't know that we're ever going to get this. Oh, no, you almost fell out. Oh. You're falling out. You're going to fall out any minute now. There he is. Hello? You gonna talk on the phone? Hello? Hello? Where's your phone? Hello? Hello? He's been... You gonna... Hello? What are you doing? Peekaboo. Oh. Oh. You keep catching yourself. You can get down. I've seen you fall out of that thing 20, 30 times now. Peekaboo. Alright, silly boy. We gotta do stuff.